you're launching any kind of exclusive NFT drop, Allowlist have been the go-to for years. And for good reason. They can be really efficient, and in a way, it's part of our culture. But they have their limitations. They're typically open for a short time, they lock users into just using one address, and dox that address. And they take a bit of back and forth to manage. But that's why Collectify has just launched Passcode Edition. This brand new minting tool lets you create an ERC 721 Open Edition using passcodes to control access instead of an Allowlist. It's super easy to set up, and I'm going to show you how to right now. From the launchpad, we jump into Passcode Editions. Standard contact creation stuff here. Putting in all the name, basic information, the metadata, and obviously setting your mint time. Page 2, we add in our collections details. Press create, and that's the contract all done. We'll go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, we want to choose passcode, and we're going to add a new passcode. Here we add in how many we want to make and how many each person is able to mint. And now we've generated the codes, we need to just update the contract, simple as that. You can choose individual passcodes, and you can allow it to mint more than one. Remember, every time you do this, you have to update the contract. These passcodes can also be exported to a spreadsheet for easier management and distribution. Now get out there and distribute those passcodes to your community. As long as your mint is live, it's a hands-off way for people to mint NFTs just using the passcode. This is particularly useful if you want to leave a mint open for a long time. You could also tie it into an e-commerce funnel or connect it to tickets for an event. And if you really want those addresses, you can go to holder, make one for the collection, and then you can take a snapshot of everyone who's holding the NFT after mint. Sound good? Okay, get building.